From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for July 20th, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the GBPUSD, Great British Pound versus US dollar for today's trade analysis. We're starting here on the daily time frame, and really what it is we're looking to trade in the direction of the trend. We were doing that earlier this week. We're still looking to trade in the direction of the trend. The red trend line on the right hand side of the chart shows us that we have overall been in an uptrend. Now there are these periods within the trend where the market may make some pullbacks or retracements within the trend, but all those do are provide us with opportunities to buy at a lower price. If you've ever heard that trading motto, buy low, sell high, that just gives us a better opportunity to buy at a lower price. We actually, if we're going to buy the British pound, we want it to go on sale. We want the price to go lower because that gives us better opportunity for lower risk and higher potential reward. Now, sometimes, of course, the trend can change, but we want to use appropriate risk settings in case that does happen, but we also want to take advantage of it when the market does go in the direction of trend. And basically what we're looking at is something like right here in the middle of this red trend line where the market made a pullback inside this big blue circle here, made a pullback, found support at the yellow zone, and went back up again and made a new high. So we're in that same situation where we're making a pullback now into the green shaded area close to, of course, the red trend line. A couple of things that give us some confidence about this green shaded area, right around the 1.2935 level, by the way, is where that green bottom of the green shaded area. We look back in time and we can see some historical support, resistance, and congestion in this area. I'm going to grab this other blue circle here, and we can see all along here, we see resistance, even some support right here, and resistance here, and resistance here. So we know historically the market has made trading decisions all along this green shaded area in the 129.35 zone. So as long as the market's making trading decisions here, and as long as it's sitting on top of it, I think this is a place that we might look for a buy scenario. One other thing that we might look at here to give us some confidence is I've taken Fibonacci retracement measurements from two different ranges. The lowest low of the red trend line, all the way at the bottom where the black X is, to the highest high on the chart, all the way up here at the top right hand corner. I've also taken Fibonacci from the low in the middle of the red trend line where the black X is, bottom of the blue circle, orange shaded area, to that same high. We see some overlapping Fibonacci right here at the bottom of the green zone. We find the 618 Fibonacci retracement level, 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level of the shorter range at 1.2930. That's just at the bottom of the green shaded area. So we know that there's potential. What Fibonacci does is project potential support resistance. So it's projecting potential support at a retracement point at 1.2930, bottom of the green zone of the shorter leg. The longer leg has the 382 sitting at 1.2920 just underneath that green zone. So we're seeing some overlap of Fibonacci here at the bottom of the green zone. So for the time being, we've already established there's historical support resistance around the green zone. We've established that there's Fibonacci here at the bottom of the green zone, and we've also established that the trend, the red trend line, has been rising. So there's three pros, if you will, to going long rather than going short here into the mid to low 1.2900s. We also look at the 100 period moving average. It's on the rise. That gives us a little bit of a trend direction as well. That's the green line there. Another clue is the Forex Black Book. The Forex Black Book trend bar is green, so that gives us a little bit of a bullish bias. You can see the red and green bar at the bottom. So it's green. That gives us a bullish bias. We take it down to the 4-hour time frame, and as we get down here, what we're going to be looking for are signals, if you will, for the Forex Black Book. Signals with the Forex Black Book mean that we're looking for arrows that are in agreement with the trend. I'm going to see if I can grab this blue circle and make it smaller like this and bring it right here. If you look right here, when the market settled down into that yellow shaded area, you see these three green arrows. 1, 2, 3 green arrows. What that does with the Forex Black Book is it tells us when momentum is shifting to go back up. Take a look. One time hit the yellow zone and tried to go back up. 2 times, tried to go back up. 3 times, and finally the momentum shifted, indicated by the green arrows, and it made a new high. Well, we don't have anything like that yet. No green arrows. So that's what really we need to watch for as our next confirmation. Remember, we've already stacked several things together: support, resistance, Fibonacci, trend lines, moving averages, all of those telling us the trend has been up. We're in the period of retracement. We just needed to find its support. We need the buyers to begin to return back into this currency pair and send it back up in the direction of the trend. And part of that next signal that the momentum is going to start shifting to go back up may be our next green or maybe yellow arrows, but hopefully some green arrows will show up, giving us confidence that momentum is shifting to go back up in the direction of the trend. So if we're going to make a trading decision with low risk and high reward, buying into support with all of these indicators showing us that this is support for the pound dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.